What is the value of diameter of a wire? The pitch of an error-free screw gauge is 1 mm and there are 100 divisions on a circular scale. While measuring the diameter of a thick wire, the pitch scale reads 1 mm and 63rd division on a circular scale coinciding with the reference line. So it's known that the final diameter value will be equal to main scale reading plus circular scale reading times the value of least count. Whereas the value of main scale reading is given as 1 mm in the question. Whereas the circular scale reading is given as 63rd division. Whereas the value of least count is not given in the question. So here we can calculate the value of least count by using a formula of pitch value divided by number of divisions on a circular scale. It's given that the pitch scale reads 1 mm in the question. So 1 divided by the circular scale, the number of circular scale division is given as 100 divisions in the question. So here when we are applying the value, it will be equal to 0.01 mm. So now we have a value of least count 0.01 mm. But here the circular scale is in a division value. So let us apply the value of main scale, circular scale and least count in a final formula. So here we will get 1 plus 63 times 0.01. When we are simplifying this, we will get 1.63 mm. So here the answers are in a centimeter. When we are converting millimeter to centimeter, it will be equal to 0.163 centimeter. So the correct answer for this question is option B here.